Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Google Analytics for website tracking, detailed guide step by step clearly. To optimize Google Analytics for effective website tracking, start by creating a Google Analytics account if you haven't already. Navigate to the Google Analytics website and click on the Start for Free button. After signing in, follow the prompts to set up your property, which represents your website. Enter your website's name, URL, and select your industry category and reporting time zone. Once you've completed these steps, you will receive your tracking ID. Copy the tracking ID, as you will need it to connect Google Analytics to your website. If you're using a content management system like WordPress, install a Google Analytics plugin. Open the plugin settings and paste in your tracking ID. If you're not using a CMS, you'll need to manually add the tracking code to your website's HTML. Access your website's code and insert the tracking code just before the closing /head tag in your HTML. Next, set up goals to track specific user actions on your website. In the Google Analytics dashboard, go to the Admin section and select the Goals option. Click on the plus New Goal button to create a new goal. Choose a template that suits your website's purpose or create a custom goal. Define the goal details, including the goal name, type, and destination URL. Make sure to verify your goal to ensure it's set up correctly. After establishing goals, set up e-commerce tracking if applicable. In the Admin section, select e-commerce settings and enable e-commerce tracking. Follow the specified instructions to integrate e-commerce tracking with your website. Next, create custom views to filter your data based on your preferences. In the Admin section, go to the View column and click on Create a View. Choose the type of view you want, such as all website data or a filtered view. To further enhance your tracking, implement event tracking for specific interactions. Determine what actions you want to track, such as video views, downloads, or button clicks. Add the appropriate event code to your website's HTML where the actions occur. Use Google Tag Manager for easier management of your tracking codes if necessary. Set up Google Tag Manager by creating an account and container for your website. Add the Google Tag Manager code snippets to your HTML, similar to the Google Analytics tracking code. Once set up, create tags within Google Tag Manager to trigger analytics tracking. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.